Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Poetic Karbon case and the Poetic full cover screen protector for the Essential Phone PH1. Now, I know y'all see some extra boxes on the table, but that's because I just finished wrapping up coverage of the Best Poo case for the Essential Phone PH1 and the Aedius tempered glass screen protector I accidentally purchased under another name. It was under Lopty Loops or something like that, some crazy name like that. Turned out to be Aedius screen protector yet again. So pretty much I already uninstalled the Aedius screen protector. After this video, I'll be swapping out the case. So that's why you see the package for the Best Poo case here. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into this video. So today, as I said, I have my unboxing and first impressions for you guys of the Poetic Karbon case right there, and the Poetic full covered tempered glass screen protector, which is right here. Bam. Really nice packaging, I have to say. Pretty much just letting you know, designed in the US, made in China. So pretty much, if y'all saw my other Poetic videos, y'all already know I like Poetic's packaging. This time it came in a box. Looks good. So pretty much both these boxes look the same. Let's see. I think the case came with this little thank you card in here. And you know. Alright, so let me let that focus because it was not focused. There you go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. No thank you card in the screen protector case. That's pretty much it. Let me throw these off to the side. And eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's start with the case first, y'all. So, taking the case out of the packaging here. Oh, this looks good. Has a nice little foam insert. Throw that foam insert off to the side. I'm liking the pattern in here. And you can see got a little bit of Poetic branding on the inside. Really liking that pattern. Really liking the outside. Ooh, this feels really good to the touch too. Alright, let me swap off cases. Let's see what this bad boy look like on the device. Alrighty. Okay. Poor Essential Phone is not cleaned. Just so y'all can see all them fingerprints is what it is. I ain't cleaned it in a while. Slap the case on. See how she look. Oh yes. Oh yes. Alright. So here's the case on the device. Again, this is the Poetic Karbon case for you guys. And I gotta say, I really am liking the pattern here. And you guys can see all our cutouts are where they need to be. So we got cutouts for our fingerprint sensor, cutouts for our rear microphone, cutouts for our dual cameras, LED flash, laser autofocus. And it does have a nice bit of raisedness. So when I put it flat down, nothing's touching. Real nice. And you can see we also got cutouts for a USB Type-C port there. Cutouts for our other microphone, our speaker grill. And also, don't know how well y'all can see this, but we got a nice raised edge for our screen as well. So if I put it face down like this, we ain't touching the screen. We good. And then along the side here, you can see all of our buttons are covered. So power button still maintains a nice clicky feedback to it. Let me see. I don't know how well y'all can hear that. but it actually feels very nice. All our volume buttons feel very nice as well. This feels really good in the hands. I say first impressions of this case, top notch. Good job, Poetic. But as I always do, I'm reserving judgment till after my full review. So first impressions are good, but who knows? After a week, my opinions may change. So far, so good. The case feels good. Everything looks good. It's nice. Now, let's get to the screen protector. So, basic stuff here. Comes with all the stuff you need to apply it. So you got your dry and your wet wipes. And I pray to God that these wet wipes are actually wet. Because, you know, we don't have them dry-ass wet wipes before. But I pray these are actually wet like they're supposed to be. Then we have our microfiber cleaning cloth. Good stuff here, standard stuff. Then we have our dust absorber and dust removal stickers. Good stuff. And then right here, we have the screen protector itself. So, let's slide this guy out and see what we're working with. I'm a big fan of these. So you can see we have our borders and we have our cutouts. So hopefully this makes it easier to line up. I'm a big fan of these. Big fan. And if y'all don't know how much of a fan I am, here's my LG Stylo 3. And this is the Lightning Night screen protector. And as y'all can see, it's also blacked out and has all your cutouts. These cutouts act as guidelines, which makes it really easy to install. That's why I'm a very big fan when companies black it out like this and have all the cutouts and stuff. It makes it really easy to install. So I'm hoping that this installation process is just as easy as this one. We'll find out. I'll let you guys know in the full review. But throwing that back off to the side, first impressions, it looks good. It looks real good. This should be real nice. Alright, I'm just going to leave this out because directly after I push stop, we're going to be installing this. So let me just rest this down here. Case is already on. Might leave the case on during the install. Take that packaging out there. Let me make sure I don't lose everything, because we're going to use all this stuff when I install it, so we'll find out just how good it is. Alright, y'all. Alright, I think that pretty much does it for this video, guys. And, yeah, both of these things should take me about a week to review. So it'll be a week from the posting of this video, so you guys be on the lookout for that. And that has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Poetic Karbon case for the Essential Phone PH1. And the Poetic full cover tempered glass screen protector, also for the Essential Phone PH1. So I hope you guys and gals have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video or found the video helpful in any way, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals want to see more raw, uncut content like this, because you never know what's going to happen when I push record, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. As always, if this video has piqued your guys' interest and you can't wait for the full review and you feel interested enough to where you want to pick this guy up for yourself, all links to where to purchase this case and tempered glass screen protector will be located down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys, and you should be good to go. That being said, if you guys and gals know anyone out there looking for the best performing devices and products at the cheapest possible prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. Alright everybody, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace. Please, Lord, don't let this be some dry-ass wet wipes. Please don't let this be some dry-ass wet wipes. Peace, everybody. Have a good one.